certain kind of aesthetic. So basically, it's like a certain kind of awareness. Like we all know what is bad, what is good, and all this, and we all have this individual definition which is biased to religion or individual things. So there is a whole confusion. And in this informative era, we have so much of confusion that we hardly know what is what. So basically, what we see is now we need to redefine the structures of definition that we have as a human. Like for instance, humanity or what is being human. That's actually a very difficult thing to say, even what is human. Because we'll talk about knowledge, this makes us human. But actually if we really get into the core of it, actually there is no exact definition or anything as it is with everything. But we cannot really say what is human as human. So humanity, human, this thing needs a kind of a recap, a restructure of understanding, a definition in this coming up post-human era, which is a singularity with machines and us. So in this era, I think we have to recap the whole definition of a lot of things in order to have a proper survival aesthetics, proper, I would not use the word proper, to have a certain kind of holistic communication. So anyway, that's another. Yeah. So these are like the things I'm relating with my art. So my art is actually, I practice art as my images I create, but it's not only art, is now not just an art. So it is actually everything in life is art, everything that we take space and awareness and thought becomes art. So this is the way I want to create this relationship, and I have logical sequences for it. So like I have this thought module where I could say, generate questions to discover fresh thinking without assumption or conclusion. That's the number one. Number two, generate with the source of creative energy. Connect with the source of creative energy. Number three, explore the relationship between psyche and the biological temperament. Like, see our psychological aspect, which affects our behavioral patterns, the way we act. They're also very much related to our biological, the homeostasis part, and how this thing relates, and how we can also have this effect, like how we can focus on this temperamental effect and know our attitudes, analyze them, and relate to this bodily environment which we are going through and create a certain kind of harmony. So these things can be taught in this line. So anyway, then number three is explore the relationship between psyche and the biological temperament. That's the one I said. Then is understand the structure of knowledge, information, and direct experience. So it's about knowledge, information, direct experience. So what is knowledge? We know this is knowledge, but really get down to it. What is knowledge? So it's like a question. Actually, we can find another definition out of it. Then how this information relates to our direct experiences, and how would we define or realize in our conscious entity